This is my PetraCuture style video that summarises the points I made in my academic article on my blog, which will evaluate whether human augmentation and digital technology is a positive or negative development for humanity. Digital technology is a massive part of today's society, so it is easy to know how many different aspects of our lives have been affected. The development of prosthetic limbs will massively affect someone who is missing a limb's life, especially with the advancements that have been made recently with a bionic limb that is connected to the person's nerves, which will actually give them the feeling of just a biological arm. Human design created a framework for people who wanted to be augmented. This could be very crucial, as once the bionic becomes better than biological ones, people may just want this augmentation due to power, and this could create an uneven balance in society. The other topic I discussed was the impact social media has on humanity. In this day and age, the term fake news has been severely overused, but sometimes that is exactly what it is. Due to people wanting to be the first, it has created lazy journalism, and so many young people have become passive consumers, believing everything they read. The focus on PAMA is more directed to the actual health of the children. Children develop English skills through talking, which sometimes doesn't happen often, especially at home, as they stare for hours at their screens. However, as I say this, social media is connecting them. People can find people who agree with their beliefs, and even though some would say these relationships aren't real, it could create a protective barrier between the problems that are going on in that person's life and their mental health. Thank you for listening.